Dundrum Hotel Tipperary, No to Asylum Center. Short documentary film. Protest at Dundrum Hotel, Tipperary against Centre for Asylum-seekers. Dundrum Village in rural County Tipperary, 7 miles west of Cashel, has a population of just 220, with few resources in terms of medical care, schools, amenities, policing, transport links and no footpath from hotel to the village, few employment opportunities. The village has experienced antisocial and criminal behaviors and there isn't a Garda station. There are plans to replace the 280 Ukrainian refugees that have been accommodated in lodges in the hotel grounds for the past 2 years. That was a temporary arrangement until the war in Ukraine finished. At the time was expected to be a matter of months. Now with asylum seekers are to be permanently accommodated. The hotel and golf course is set in what was a large country estate owned by an English landlord family up to the early 1900s. The community for the past several weeks have organized a boycott picket line at the road entrance to inform and persuade patrons not to enter until the hotel reverts to being a hotel to serve the community. The community have held 2 public meetings in the village hall attended by up to 300 including the media and other similar groups, given radio interviews, have peacefully protested at the entrance 24/7 for several weeks. Started an online petition, raised funds, erected information banners and placards in the village and at the hotel entrance. Learned from similar groups. Utilized the skill sets of the community and garnered support nationwide. At the hotel entrance the protesters have erected temporary facilities, tents, canteen, floodlights. The group set up a Facebook page, gathered and shared information on several WhatsApp groups, TikTok and other platforms. The community main concerns include strain on resources, economic impact, social tensions, community cohesion, property values, public perception and media, loss of amenities, safety concerns. The government are failing to control the influx of illegal and unvetted single males and don't deport foreign criminals, dangerous and failed asylum seekers. That is a major danger to the Irish. Denmark, a country with a similar population, this year had 700 asylum applications whereas Ireland has 7,000 applicants because the government is a soft touch with shambolic procedures and no will to control the dangerous level of immigration. Every town and village will be flooded by illegal and unvetted migrants and communities will not feel safe.